Good day everyone. Today I will explain the different types of art history: Asian art, Western art, and Philippine art. Art history helps us understand how people from different cultures express their feelings, traditions, and creativity through painting, sculptures, architecture, and other artworks. First, we have the Asian art history. Asian art history refers to artistic tradition developed across the continent of Asia, including countries like China, Japan, India, Korea, and many Southeast Asian countries. Asian art is considered one of the oldest forms of art in the world, with art was created thousands of years ago. Characteristic of Asian art. Asian art has several unique characteristics. First, it is strongly influenced by religions and philosophies such as Buddhism, Hinduism, and Taoism. It focuses on nature, harmony, and spirituality. Artworks are often symbolic and meaningful rather than realistic. Artists use natural materials like ink, silk, jade, wood, and stone. Example of Asian art. Chinese art. Chinese art is famous for ink painting and calligraphy. Painting often show landscape like mountains, rivers, and nature. We have Japanese art. Japan is known for ukiyo-e, wood block print landscape actors like everyday life. Southeast Asian art. This includes templates, murals, and sculptures connected to religious beliefs. Overall, Asian art reflects the spiritual and cultural tradition of Asian societies. Second, we have the Western art history. Western art mainly developed in Europe and later spread in the United States and other parts of the world. Western art history is divided into several important periods. Characteristic of Western art. Focus on realism and accurate human anatomy. Use perspective and proportion to create depth. Development of different art styles movements over time. Strong emphasis on individual artists and creativity. Major periods of Western art. Ancient Greek and Roman art. This period focused on balance, beauty, and ideal human form. A famous example of pattern medieval art. Medieval art was mostly religious and created for churches. It included mosaic sculpture and stained glass. Renaissance art. The Renaissance art means rebirth. During this time, artists studied science, anatomy, and perspective. Famous Renaissance artists include Leonardo da Vinci, painted the Mona Lisa. Michelangelo painted the ceiling and the Sistine Chapel. Modern art. In modern times, artists began experimenting with new techniques, colors, and ideas. Example, Vincent van Gogh, famous for the painting of Starry Night. Western art influenced modern painting, sculpture, architecture, and artistic techniques worldwide. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye!